Are you a course creator running ads to a low ticket offer but now stuck because it's no longer profitable and you don't have another 5 or 10k to test your funnel again this month? Stay with me for the next 3.5 minutes because I am going to show you how to place that non-functioning low ticket offer with the fast funnel ad strategy. A method that generates leads directly for your high ticket offer, takes less time and works on a budget that you can actually afford right now. Hello, my name is Tina. I'm the founder of Tina Sanford Digital, and me and my son Daniel have been helping course creators like my client Rhonda to set up fast funnel ads that within just 1 week brought in prospects for a high ticket certification program and also multiple low ticket downsells, all with less time and money than it would usually take to manage and advertise a typical low ticket funnel. And in every video right now, I'm going to give you one simple strategy which you can immediately put to work. Now, if you're still here, you probably already have the pain or know the pain that you've been running ads to a low ticket offer and you've been hoping it will fund your business, but right now it is not profitable and you don't have another 5 or 10k sitting around to test it again. So right now we're talking to a lot of course creators, and what do? Well, they're telling us that they jump into ad or marketing communities to ask what others are doing right now, what they would do. And they're getting told things like tweak the offer, tweak the funnel, tweak the ads, but still keep pushing paid traffic into a system that just keeps draining their cash. It's not working. And here's why it's not working for you. You know this. To make a low ticket funnel profitable, you need 2 things. You need time and you need money, because you also know that the real payoff comes off later when you can upsell those buyers into your high ticket program. But if you are strapped for a budget right now, you know this is not sustainable. So I'm going to share with you, here's what's working right now. If you've got a bundle of leads already, this is really good. It's called the fast funnel ad strategy. Let me go through it quick. Step 1. If you know your clients really well, you would take one specific tiny problem that you solve inside your course or training. Step 2, you create a fast funnel ad around that small specific problem using a comment call to action or a messenger button. Okay, step 3, you just run that ad and then you have diagnostic messenger conversations by retargeting your warm audience and having a chat. And then you use those conversations to convert leads straight into your high ticket offer. This works because it helps you to, first of all, validate and then generate real revenue on a small budget by going straight for your highest leverage sale in your business. I'm not going to tell you fibs though. It's still hard work. You've got to talk to people. But the best thing is it's a higher leverage than grinding away at a low ticket system that needs tons of sales even to break even right now. Now, if you want to shortcut this and get moving today, if you write the word FAST below, I'll send you my AI assistant for turning your material into a fast funnel ad in just 10-12 minutes. If you don't use AI and you prefer, I can actually send you my Google document so you could actually just do this manually. You don't need to give me your email. I'm going to give this to you completely free, and it's my thanks for watching my video. Cheerio.